What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be going into creative and showing you guys how to create an infinite reset button. Let's get into it. And if you do not understand it or you haven't done mechanics before, this is okay. This is going to be very easy. It only takes like 3 channels. And it's very easy and fun to use in your 1v1. Alright, let's get off to making the 1v1 real fast. It's not going to be perfect. I'm just making this for a tutorial. After you have your 1v1 set up, go to devices, get a button, and a explosive device. Place the button wherever you would like. I'm just going to place it right here. Resize it a little bit. And copy all the settings I do. So, interact time, instant. Trigger sound, disabled. Interaction text, reset button. When interacted on, transmit on. Any channel available. For me is channel 1. I will be picking 1. Get your explosive device. Health, indestructible. Blast radius, max. Damage, 0. Structure damage, 5,000. Explode on proximity, off. Visible during game, no. Collision during game, off. Only off. Collides with everything. Show health bar, no. Health bar style. Hide HUD icon, 500 meters. Friendly eye context, nothing. Explode when receiving from run. 1, I meant. Reset when receiving from 2. And when exploded, transmit on 2. And then copy it. Bring it right here. Right there. No, right there. Right there. And then right there. Let me fix this. And then we'll start the game. when you spawn, just go down to the 1v1. Build a few walls up and down. Beautiful. Build a few walls. And then just press your reset button. Oh, I forgot to do a setting. Okay, let me fix that. Oh yeah, and there's a setting in island stuff. I will have to show you that setting. I'm sorry. Okay, go back into your explosive device. Go to knockback. Turn that off. Turn the knockback off. Off. I'm sorry, I forgot to do that. Off. And then go into your My Island settings. Environment damage off. Building can destroy environment off. And then start the game. Come down to your 1v1. After you're done doing your 1v1, the 1v1 setup. After you finish your 1v1 and somebody died, just press the button. Boom. It's all gone. All gone. See? Just like that. If you do not want the audio, like and subscribe for the next video and I will get it to you. And just press the button. And after you're done building the reset button, if you do not want that exploding sound or the exploding visuals, go back down to your 1v1. Go to your explosive device. Go to play audio /VFX. Turn that off. Range visuals off. No. And that's everything. Let me place spawn so it doesn't take as long. And then after you did those settings, it will only do the sound and stuff on those two. This one will not make the sound. Watch. See? Did you see that one? See? And do not press it too fast or it will break. So let me put all the settings the same. What I do, I usually just put this down here in the middle. Bring it up a few times. Bring it to the right, or the left of it, and to the right. Start my game. Build, do whatever. Reset button. All gone. After I get 25 subs, I will be giving a tutorial on my clean 1v1 and my clean box fight. And if you want to add me, my epic is right there. Feel free to subscribe, post notifications on, and like. Look at that. It all broke. And then all you gotta do to reset the button, and I will be giving a tutorial on a Galaxy 1v1, and it will destroy every build in the proximity of 5. Let's see how far it'll go. It will go right there, 5 meters away. But when you're building up, and I will be coaching anybody for free if they want to be coached, if they think I'm good. But I do not think I'm very good, so anybody that wants to be coached, just add me. And build, reset. That's it. Actually, it's not the end of the video. Let's make a tutorial on how to make a Galaxy 1v1 real fast. Alright, so let's delete these 2 ramps. Delete these floors. Go into galleries. Go down until you find the gloss black glass. Go until you find black. Just search black in the search option. Black. Go to the one that says Structure Galaxy Reflective Black. Save that. Put it out. Let me move all this. And what you do, excuse me, you come over here, grab a floor, and you fill all of this in on the block. So go to the block island. You grab the piece, you keep going around, stay in between these black lines like you did in kindergarten when you were drawing. And then place your 2 ramps here. Go grab your ramps. Grab whichever one you would like, this one, or I'll do this kind of tutorial. So what you gotta do, place there, place there. I'll show you how this one works. So your friend is gonna be right there. I'm gonna be right here. And then whoever edited it is, you both get on the wall. You both get on the wall. And you build up. Let me move the reset button. So what you gotta do, and then from here on, go to devices, get the barrier device, put it right here, change it to Nebula, just Nebula, box hollow, barrier width 15, barrier depth 15, height 70, you got that. Let me go place the floor on this. After you do the barrier, what you do is you get your spawns. You place 3 here. And 3 here. You see that? Let me move these. These are out of place. And then once you've placed your spawns, get a item spawner and copy these settings. Item respawn on, random respawn off, deliver in game, instant. And you see those settings? Copy all those settings, change to no other settings. Now what you do is you keep placing, you place 6. And you place, well, the weapons I choose is you can choose whatever weapons you want, but these are what I'm going to choose. I'm going to choose a gold pump, a heavy sniper, a blue AR. Chug splashes. Grappler. Place your shotgun in the middle. Your AR on the left. And your sniper right there. And then I get my chug splashes and my grappler. I go down and get the shockwave. And I place the chug splashes, grappler, and shockwaves. And the time of day, what I would choose is 2 p.m. Camera filter, light brightness, 70, light color, I think magenta, fog thickness, 0, fog color, white. I'm going to move all these spawns. And then 100 shield, 100 health. Infinite resources on. Allow assist, yes. Allow building, all. Environment damage, all. Crucial, you do not want environment damage on. Structure damage, all. Down but not out means you get knocked. Drop, keep. Make sure that's keep. Allow item drop. Allow item pickup, yes. Respawn time, 1 second. Fall damage, off. Jump fatigue, off or on, whichever you'd like. Glider redeploy, off, in my opinion. Player flight, off. Flight speed doesn't matter. Health granted on elimination, 200. Then go to game. Voice chat, all. Total rounds, whatever number you want. I'm just going to pick 7. Time limit, none. Eliminations to end, none, off. Score to end, ID 50, off. Joining progress, spawn. And then elimination score, 1. Go to UI. Score. Yes, yes. And then let's start it. And now you have your 1v1. I will make these invisible. I'll show you how to do that. And, oh, I forgot to turn infinite ammo on. Well, you do that. Get your 1v1 started. I killed him. Come down. Press the reset button. All the builds are reset. And then let me make it where there's infinite ammo. Let me make those spawns invisible. Return to island. Go to player spawner. No. Visible during game, no. And then do that to all your spawns. then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the reset button right there. And what I would do if you're going to put that there, I'd put the interaction radius to 5. Never mind, not 5. Bring the interaction radius to 7.5. And then go to your My Island settings. Go to settings. Infinite ammo on. And then start it. There's your button. Here's all your weapons. Start your 1v1. You win the match. And you reset the builds. And you can do that over and over again until you get 50 eliminations. You want again? And every time you get a kill, you see in the top right, like up there under your mini map, you see that leaderboard? You see how I have 0 eliminations? That does every elimination. So every time you get an elimination until you get 50, the game will go on. And that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like and subscribe and like the video. Have a great day. And that was fun. Bye.